In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI video with Weavy. Think of this as a simple four-part flow. Choose your mode, generate your visuals, add motion, and then refine. We'll walk through both text to video and image to video so you can pick what fits your idea best. Start by opening Weavy AI and creating a new project. From the dashboard, click Create Project. Right away, you'll choose a mode. Text to video lets you generate an entire scene from scratch, which is great for rapid ideation. Image to video animates an existing image and gives you the best quality control because your subject and style are already defined. If you need a specific face or product to stay consistent, image to video is usually the safer pick. Next, select the video model. Inside Weavy, you'll see options like Cdance 2.0 and Cdance 2. These are excellent for cinematic, realistic results with smooth camera motion and stable characters, which makes them ideal for ads, influencer content, and storytelling. Other models may render faster or give a more stylized look, but they're generally less realistic. For most users, Cdance 2 is the sweet spot for quality and consistency. If you're using text to video, add a prompt to the workflow and type out what you want to see. A strong example would be a cinematic drone shot over a futuristic city at night, glowing neon lights, ultra-realistic, smooth camera movement, film grain, 4K, shallow depth of field. Connect this prompt to the video generator model and click Run. Keep your prompt clear and descriptive. Camera terms, lighting cues, and motion notes help the model understand your intent. If the first pass isn't perfect, tweak the wording and run it again. That's the refine stage. For image to video, upload your image into the workflow or generate one inside Weavy first. Then add a motion prompt. A great template to follow is subject plus motion plus camera plus style. For example, subtle head movement, natural blinking, soft breathing, slow cinematic camera push-in, realistic lighting, shallow depth of field. Connect both the image and the prompt to the video generator model, then click Run. Choose images with a clear subject and good lighting to minimize artifacts and use gentle motion cues if you want lifelike results. That's the core process. Pick the right mode, choose Cdance 2 for most realistic needs, describe motion and camera behavior in your prompt, connect everything in the workflow, run the model, and refine until it matches your vision.